Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NKLA. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, another very eventful day in this one, and sitting at a very interesting level as far as the chart is concerned. And this will mean a little bit more to those of you that have watched the past videos that I've done. But the first thing I want to do to just make all this make a little bit more sense is I want to, let's see. There we go. Get this trend line extended out some more here. And there we have it right there. So for those of you that have watched the past videos, then hopefully you remember me talking about this trend line over and over again. But this is exactly why. You can see that the price, had a nice morning, nice bounce up, and then look where that bounce ended. Right there at the trend line. Right there, tried to make another move, got right up around that trend line, and ultimately moved back down. But the good news is the price is sitting right here around this trend line once again. So the big question now going into not necessarily just Wednesday, but for the next coming days is the price finally going to have enough strength to get the trend line break, which from a technical pattern, that's good. When technical levels are being broken, those are known as breakouts. And assuming you're long, assuming you're bullish, those are the types of price movements that you want to see. And is anything guaranteed to happen? Absolutely not. There's no such thing as a guarantee in the market. Is it at least a valid question now to be wondering and asking if some sort of breakout is getting ready to take place? Yeah, it absolutely is, because the price, again, is sitting right up there around these key breakout levels. Now, just because a breakout does play out, and I've mentioned this level previously, it's going to have, it being the price, is going to have work to do relatively quickly, because the next level of resistance is not terribly far off, which is going to be that pink line there on my chart, denoting the very well-known, very famous 200-period moving average, which is currently valued right up around 25.10. So again, a breakout of that trend line would certainly be a good thing, but just realize that there'd still be some relatively quick work that would then need to be focused on by breaking above that 200-period moving average. As far as levels of support are concerned, just continue to watch 22 down here. That remains and continues to hold strong, so watch that. But overall, definitely a very interesting setup here headed into Wednesday. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up, as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.